Today, we concluded an operation that we started yesterday morning, and this is an operation that happened under the auspices of the President Barzani himself to move from Zumar all the way to Mount Sinjar to liberate a vast area of Kurdistan and also to be able to rescue those Yazidi people that are trapped on Mount Sinjar. So it was a very big operation, and thankfully it was concluded very successfully. This operation will of course continue to clear all the areas that are still under the control of ISIS, but the details of that or the timing of that I am not at liberty to discuss at the moment. But hopefully our hope is that all those people will eventually be able to go back to their own homes and villages and towns. But those that are in need of evacuation, now a corridor has been opened to evacuate those people.
علي تركب